Hey, what's up YouTube? Wanted to make another video. This time I want to talk about extending the life of your hair system, or at least one aspect of that. The main reason why I might be done with the hair system is the color, because of the color fade. And I have tried a UV protectant, which probably helps extend the life of that. But recently I tried coloring your hair. Now, this is a LaVivid Eros full poly base, and I used the instructions from another YouTube user. I believe his name is Luciano Moretti. He dyes his hair on his head in the shower using Just for Men, and I have done the same thing, but I was a little too gun shy to do it on my hair. I didn't want to get my bio hair dyed, so I still did it on the mannequin head. Now, he recommends doing it for a shorter period of time, so I think I usually do it for about 4 minutes, and I get really good results. Super happy. This current system is about 3.5 months old. This is much longer than I've ever gone. I've dyed it a couple times. The color on this, you can tell it's wet right now, and honestly, that's kind of a pet peeve of mine when guys show before and afters. The hair's always wet, so it always looks better and matches better. But this is a number 7 as far as their color scale goes. I use the light brown, and I feel like I get good results. One thing my hairstylist mentioned is after a cut, it was obvious that there was a color differentiation between the bio hair and the hair system. And she recommended actually just coloring just the edge, just using a little bit of that to hide that transition. And that actually has worked really well, and you can save on product by doing that. I've noticed that when you color it, it is hard, or that's an easy place to neglect, is the very edge, the tuft that hangs over the hair system. I'm probably gonna try some different ways of doing it on my head. I might do it in steps because I'm worried about coloring my bio hair. But I might put a sweatband or cut a shower cap and fold it down and see how that goes. Just because if you mess up your bio hair, well, there's not much you can do other than wash it out. And as far as I mentioned, a UV protectant or trying to protect the color, this is something that I found on Amazon, Pureology. It's a UV protectant. I use it as a leave-in conditioner. I use that also with an argan oil. Other than that, I don't use any product in my hair. That'll do it for today. We'll talk to you real soon. Thanks, guys.